Study now that warns of the hidden dangers that lurk in those over-the-counter supplements. Dr. Richard Chaffoo is back with more on this. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning, Raoul.
A lot of people are buying this stuff thinking that
Yes.
they're getting the best product, all natural, this and that. You're saying maybe not so much.
Probably not. You know,
Yeah.
the California Department of Public Health actually did a study from 2007 to 2017, Raoul, and they found that there were over 700 of these supplements had some chemicals in them, much of which are prescription drugs. We're not aware of it beforehand, and you don't actually even see them in the ingredients.
You don't see them in the ingredients, and
No.
people are assuming and they're trusting of,
Yes.
of what they're reading on the labels, right? And they think
Yes.
they're safe, they think they're all natural. So let's get to the FDA. Do they approve this?
Well, unfortunately, the FDA cannot regulate supplements because supplements are considered foods, if you will, like vitamins and minerals.
Sure.
So these are chemicals and products that are in these supplements that actually can be harmful. There are dietary supplements that have antidepressants that have been banned in the United States, other chemicals that can have serious cardiovascular effects. Some of the muscle building products have anabolic steroids in them, which we know, of course, need to be under the care or prescription of a physician. So there are potentially some really serious side effects with these.
And so, I mean, the obvious question is, and how is this not regulated, and how can they do this then?
Well, again, unfortunately, the FDA cannot regulate this. So say, for example, if you have a company and you make a product, a supplement, and we find out that there are drugs in there that shouldn't be in
Right.
there, the FDA can write you a letter and strongly encourage you to remove those products, but the FDA
Wow.
has no teeth in this situation. And you know, about half of Americans are taking some form of a supplement.
Yeah.
It's a $36 billion a year industry, so it's huge.
There's a lot of money involved here.
Yes.
What are the side effects potentially and some of the dangers that people can expect if they're taking this?
Sure, so the side effects, for example, some of these male enhancement products have been found to have Viagra. We know Viagra is a prescription medication.
Of course.
If you're taking a cardiovascular medication, and a hypertensive, and you take something that has Viagra in it, it can precipitously drop your blood pressure. Wow. You could have a stroke, a heart attack. Some of these antidepressants have serious cardiovascular effects. Steroids are, again, something found in some of these bodybuilding or muscle enhancement products that long-term can affect your blood pressure, diabetes, can have effects on your development of other serious problems, adrenal suppression. So they're not to be taken lightly.
Wow. So if the FDA has no teeth in this industry, then who does, and what can be done to prevent this?
So the honest answer is no one really has any direct control over this. Wow. It's really buyer beware, and I recommend if someone's thinking about a supplement, go to see your physician who knows the medications that you're on. If you're going to take a supplement, take one that's a pure supplement. You know, some people will use something like melatonin, for example, for a sleep aid.
Sure.
Well, make sure you're just getting melatonin. Be careful of what's recommended on these products. You know, there's some shady online retailers.
Because you have to consider a lot of times they want you to buy more because they want to make more money.
Exactly.
So I like that you recommended ask your doctor.
Ask your doctor.
Okay. Boy, oh boy. Never assume and never try to buy all this stuff on your own without the information. Dr. Chaffoo, we thank you. Good stuff.
Good
Appreciate it. Okay, last